Hi everybody! On tonight's episode of Integrated Science Video Discussions, we're going to talk about the phase changes of water. Here we have a cube of ice. This is water in its solid form. In this ice cube are countless hydrogen and oxygen molecules packed so tightly together that all they can do is vibrate against each other. So in order to change this water from a solid to a liquid, a phase change needs to occur. This is possible when energy is added or removed. In this case, I'm going to add some energy in the form of heat from this pan. The heat flowing from the pan into the ice cube is making the temperature of the ice cube rise. Once the temperature of the ice cube reaches its melting point, the energy begins to break the bonds of the solid ice cube, melting the ice. Now the hydrogen and oxygen molecules aren't so tightly bound anymore, and it's water in its liquid state. The molecules have more room to move around now instead of the tight vibrations in a solid state. If I add more energy to the liquid, I can change the state of the water once more. And look at the boiling water. So the water went from tightly knit vibrations as a solid to looser, quickly bouncing molecules as a liquid to speeding bullets shooting in all directions as a gas. Since the molecules are moving quicker, now the temperature of the water increases quickly. So if you rub your hands together really quick, and the friction makes your hands really warm, and that's exactly what's happening in the water. Once the water's boiling point is reached, the liquid turns to gas and evaporates. So when water boils, all these bubbles that are coming up are actually the vaporized water molecules that have transformed into a gas. And if we think about this in a natural state, think of snow falling down. So that's the water in its solid state. And if it were sunny and warm outside, then the heat would transfer energy from the sun into the snow, melting it just like the ice melted in the pan. And then once the snow was melted, the sun would continue to heat the melted snow, eventually evaporating it.